Others claim they don't see how to put in takes the most of the apps. Okay, first of all, not taking the dashboard view. So here we can see this everything is we can see in later. Okay, first of all, what we have to do means you have to go from here to directly. Yeah, okay. So this is app content. You have to go here also. So after here, you have to see this. I already filled up here. So what to do means you have to for that manage. You have to click here. Okay. So if there is any link is based on terms and conditions, you have to click here. If it's not there means you don't have anything to click here. Okay. So I actually created here. You can see this. So this is what may have actually my one of my things based on the okay terms and policy on such things. And if you have a your ad is ad support not minus not supported by ad, so I put in the no up the second and that's if yes means please give yes. Okay, so minus no, that is why I reason I get that. So next is app access. So what are the access your things need to be given that so for example you have a login register there means some of the app only work in the registered and some of the things is not working based on the without special access. So that's why we have to use that. My app doesn't have any functionality thing, so that's why I put like all function are without any special access. Okay, so yeah, and so content rating. So if content rating means who can actually it's download and asking for the skins. If it's yes means you have to give him that. For example, if you're 3 years old and some other things, so we can giving also. For example, if you support the game means you have to give the game and the social communication. For example, if the WhatsApp or Instagram that kind of things means you have to give a year. So I already mentioned the example here. Okay, again. For example, just it is not matching all of the types we have to giving that. Okay, so here the next step. So the contact you, for example, how to contact this kind of things we have for that. So I gave him my name or thing here. Okay, so this is what we have to given here. So uh, they ask for that. What are the does company for this your app is content or this kind of things? Is not they ask for that. Mine is not supported anything, so I give the no. Then they ask for the user content. So if you voice support any communication like WhatsApp call like that kind of things, you have to give means texting sharing and means. So you have to give the yes, but mine is no. Okay. So online content. So you can see the online things. Mine is offline. So I had to give that thing also. So this is the promoted. So anything like in 18 plus things we have to giving like based on this, but mine also no. So so you can collect any location of the user means they ask for that I will know. And this is after digital purchase. Yeah, you have to purchase the Bitcoin thing, some things you can purchase from the like Flipkart, Amazons, so eBay, so this kind of things. So that's also no. It's a server browser is asking for that because of some of the apps supports inbuilt browser. So this kind of things is asking for that in our web agents. So this also no. The primarily news educations minus also no. Okay, no. So this also you have to need to give the savior. Okay, so I already given that. That's why I leave and discard. Okay, so they ask for that. So okay, minus calculator already. So if you want to give us the means already I told that. Okay, if you want to like okay. So they no. So three things is completed. So three is completed. Click to the next. Okay. Here also submit that. So this is what yeah we got it. Okay. Then next to the app content. So here you can see this. The target audience, who's the target audience of viewers? Mine is supported to all ages. For example, if you support some other topic like magazines is typical, only for the teenagers, you have to click the 13 and 15 ages. So, but mine is for all the things. Okay, you can study for all the things based on this. You can click the next year. Okay, so the declaring tolerance under 13. So they ask for the questions, okay. So based on censoration, you have to take in anything is not they ask for that. So mine is not taking anything. That's why I'm giving like that. So if you want to add anything, for example, mine already set it in that ads is not there. I already declared there. So that's why it's not showing it. I click the yes means it's showing yes or no. So for example, it's a target audience based on things they ask for that. So we can based on that we can click that. Okay. So that is why reason. So they have given the data. Okay. So next news apps. So your app is news app. They ask for that. Minus no, so that I will do the no here. Okay, app access. COVID things. Your app contract and chasing the status of app means you have to click the link things. But minus no, so that is why I give the no. You have to save for each every things after you have clicked OK. Need to change next. Data safety. So this is one of the main thing. Okay, so if your app any collecting any data means you have to declare here, then that is the reason you have to using for that. You have to give that. Okay, if you family policy means you have to read out everything. Okay, um, it's just a complete thing everything. Okay, so based on this is a recommendation based on that. Okay, but mine is no, so that is why you get that here. So I already solved that is a no declaration. I mean, I'm not sharing anything, so I'm giving like this kind of things. Okay, so your advertisement ID. If you add mine is no, so I give the no. If yes means if they ask for that app functionality with ID, what are the things based on advertising you're using? So that's condition you have to using for that. Minus no, so that's why I give here. The last thing is government of. So if you create like if you are a government of India based on you have to do like this kind of things. Behalf to our government means we have to put yes, or else they ask for the national government, state government, city government, others. So if no means directly going no. Okay, so that's all about app content. So then you have to go to that production thing. Okay, so here the production. So if you have a what should I tell that? If you have a thing means you have to go to the production. Then if you are new to this business, you have to create the new release here. So here you have to click that. I already created here, so that's why it's showing the edit release. So clicking the new release means you have to go to ABB files here. Okay. So after clicking means showing like the release names, whatever the name should be declared in the app store. So that is where I declared here. So you can see this. So everything is completed means you can see everything is here. Okay. So these are the lot of tasks there. Okay. What is this means? Based on publish, for example, you can see the some of the apps the yearly release, some of the apps only for the testers, some of the apps sign up. So that is why it's showing here. Okay. So if you see this, there is a only for the testing without review. So select some of the people's only you have to select this, and the testers you have test select testers. You can add some of those people's create email list. That's one that people only can download and use for that feedback URL. So this thing, okay, you can release a create release here. So this is what look like when click the new release. Okay. So next, only for the sign up. I already told that. Okay. The test is only for the sign up. You can tell that. Okay. Tell the next thing. Already told that this thing. Oh, this is the publish your app on Google Play. This is what we can publish everything. Okay, this is what directly publish your app here. Okay, already created this. Then you have to see the countries and regions. What are the region you have to select, and you have to need to select here. So mine is already created. If it's not created, means showing like here like one of the icon add region, so you can add everything. Okay, here, but mine is not showing because of I already created here. Okay, that is the reason. So next, so almost I covered everything. Think. Okay, so almost covered everything. Now we go to some other things. Okay, directly. So we are directly there. If someone having a new thing means directly you can show the lot of. For example, I will show you. If someone created something means. um, So if you see the dashboard means it's showing like this only. So so you can see this. This is a roll up review on roll it. Here you can see this. How to roll means we have to do the edit list here. Then you can see this on the app bundle. You can see this review and release. Okay, if you give the review and release, it's asking to start roll out the production. I give the yes. So that is why, and that is the reason is showing that in review. Okay, so it's showing in review. After it's publish, you can see this here. You can see this public overview. I mean, view on Google Pay. So here the link you can get that everything. Okay, that's all. Thank you. Please subscribe, yeah, for more videos.